Hey guys, so watch this video here for Thursday, December 9th. The SPY, kind of a narrow range compared to yesterday. Here's a daily chart of the SPY. Still a really, really nice day in the chat room. Before I go on, real quick, I just want everybody to know our trading course price goes up January 1st. So if you're on the fence at all, it's a great time to jump on that. If you're a chat room member, the half price link, by the virtue of math, by the nature of math, I should say, when the price goes up on the course on January 1st, the half price will also go up. So, and also if you follow my Twitter feed, and the pinned tweet at the top will take you to if you scroll down and look at the whole thread, it'll take you to a special offer too that I think is half price that, again, will be going up. So if you're interested at all, we've seen some really, really nice results from some of our students who fill out the tracker every day. So anyway, I just want everybody to know. I don't want anybody to be surprised on January 1st when the price goes up, because I'm not going to roll it back for anybody. And I've got other people asking me, can you hold it till next year? We're not doing that. It's so thorough. We're so proud of it. All of our course takers praise it all the time. So we're just not going to go ahead and do discounts like people are hitting me up on the emails for, right? Half price is about as good as it's ever going to get. Anyway, enough of that crap. What do we call today? I'm going to show you this one. I'll slide this DWAC. I call this one DWAC. You see what I wrote there. Whole number inflection point plus stacked catalyst above, which was red to green and high of day. And this is a screenshot I want to put in the chat room. DWAC, DWAC, 51, second mouse with red to green and high of day above. So there was the 51 break, that first arrow. And when I mean stacked catalyst, the red to green was just above that, meaning back through the open price, the high of day just above that, on a recent high flyer that's been exhibiting strength lately. So a beautiful move there. I think I saw Wayne sell some at 67 maybe in after hours. He's so good at holding some for a bigger move. Anyway, that was a really nice one there. Let me get that screenshot out of the way. And Kevin P. Kevin M is the troublemaker in the chat room, sorry. Kevin P called LGVN. Go to 5-minute candles there to show you the setup. So it kind of climbed quietly, topped out at the whole number, basically the whole number 21, a couple pennies below. Another whole number inflection point with yesterday's high not far above on a recent high flyer. That's an important part of the equation. Man, several of us nailed this one, got long at that 21 break, and it went pretty quickly. I mean, look at that. In 5 minutes, went up to 23.50. Now, that was a monster for me, personally, and a really neat call. So there's a couple highlights from chat. What are we watching for tomorrow? LEXX, I threw it on watch because it had big volume, but it closed about where it opened. I'm not in love with that one, but I'm going to watch it. DWAC, I already talked about my call in this one. Very strong move, so we're definitely going to watch that again tomorrow. CFVI, another one. It's up near all-time highs. Absolutely worth watching tomorrow. I thought this might actually run in after hours, but as I'm looking, after hours only has 9 more minutes left. It's trading at 14.37. Definitely deserves to be on long watch. ISIG really, and I've told you guys this before. When I have, if I have the biggest day of my life as a day trader, I'm still going to look back and go, man, I still screwed up, right? And that was today. ISIG, I loved the inside fives on this one here. The early high, then an inside five. I love the break over this 13.35, and it jumped me. And then you got the quick halt, and then it just ripped. So I never got that one, but I loved it. So there's an example of a huge miss. Anyway, having said that, so strong that I'm going to watch it again tomorrow. All right. AUUD, nice volume and a pretty strong close. We're going to watch that for a follow-through day. Roku, nice breakout of these kind of recent lows here on big volume. We're going to see if that gives a follow-through day setup. LGVN, already talked about the call Kevin P made. It seems to have found support. Definitely want to watch that one tomorrow for a potential long, only with an A+ intraday setup. ENSC had the big rip yesterday, gap down today, but a solid green inside day. Looking for potential long there tomorrow. PPSI, big move, and topped out almost where it topped out about a week ago, and then above that you have another catalyst. So strong move. Again, I thought this one might run in after hours, and it didn't. It's trading at 9.97 right now, but certainly strong enough move that we're going to watch that one tomorrow. IOBT had this gap up and a pop, came back down and is curling back up. Also interesting that it topped out 11. I kind of like this one over 11 tomorrow. ISPC, nice little bounce today off from that buy zone, but I didn't trade it. But in after hours, this thing, let's see, went to, let me get this right. Right now it's trading after hours at 15.50. So certainly a potential gapper tomorrow. And then lastly, I'm going to throw AVCT on watch, which in after hours, this one's trading at $1.35. So potential gapper there. Plenty to watch, and we'll look for news plays, gap plays, and all that stuff too. Teamwork's been fantastic. Let's keep it up. I'm done babbling. I'll see you guys in the chat room in the morning.